Good morning, everybody. Today is January 28th, 2020, and I would like to talk to you about number one penny stock app currently available for iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. The app could be downloaded by going to the website onepny.com or onepenny.com. And it will take you directly to the Apple App Store page, where you would be able to download, install, and run this app that's called Penny Stocks AI. The app covers over 1,000 penny stocks being traded on US stock markets, and this stocks are being grouped in a very convenient groups. For example, there's a group of stocks that are traded under $1. There's also another group of stocks that are traded between $1 and $2. There's another group of stocks being traded $2 to $3, and $3 to $4, and $4 and $5. Such division will be very helpful for people who, try to stick to a specific price range for the investments. And if they want to take, for example, higher risk, that they would rather go to the stocks that cost under $1, have maybe higher volatility, but also they have a higher chance of spiking and generating very substantial profits. If you would like to take less risk, you might get stocks that are being traded between $2 and between $1 and $2, or $2 and $3. Those stocks, you generally, because they cost more, they might not have as tremendous spikes and jumps in price as the stocks that are being traded under $1, but at the same time they still could produce very good results and considerably better than stocks that are traded at, let's say, a $20 or $30 range, since for them 10-cent jump could be already 5-10% movement in price versus maybe 1% for the stock that costs $20. What the app does also, it evaluates each company that is being listed inside of this app based on fundamentals. What fundamentals means that the app analyzes the revenue growth for the company, profit growth for the company, or maybe if the company is not profitable, at least it could evaluate the general sales for the company and for example, margins or debt. So if the company is reducing its debt, then it's also a good indicator that the price of the stock might appreciate. Besides evaluating fundamentals for the companies, this app also evaluates stocks from a technical point of view, such as RSIs, Bollinger Bands, and average trading, let's say 50-day averages or 200-day average trading. Basically what it means is that, let's say if the company is trading above its 50-day trading average, that means that the stock is moving currently to the upper bound of its price corridor that it established in the last 50 days, which means that the company could be overpriced since it's already trading pretty high compared to its history. And that might not be a negative point to buy the stock. And maybe you should look for something else. At the same time, if the stock is being traded under its 50-day moving average, that means the stock is trading at the low bound of its 50-day trading corridor, and it could be considered cheap, and you might actually invest into the stock hoping that it will start moving back to its medium or maybe to the upper bound of its 50-day average. This app evaluates stocks once a day, since new information constantly arrives from the stock market. And for example, if the stock is just experienced a big jump in price, or on the contrary had a big drop in price, then obviously it would affect the price of the not the price, it would affect the future price appreciation for that stock, and it might not be such a great buy after all, or vice versa. Again, the stock is available, the app is available via the website 1pny.com for iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. So if you're interested, please download, run it, and enjoy it. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading.